check in!
What's your name?
Michael.
Michael! Are you Michael?
Miles, yeah.
Are you Michael?
My name's Michael Jr. Yeah, my name's Michael Jr.
Michael Jr.?
Back again.
No. Have you? No. I haven't had an accident.
someone else had an accident.
Oh,
And I happened to be in the way. Don't go on there.
Does it? What does it hurt?
Oh, when the train goes oh, don't do it.
And good evening. Yes, we are back in the hotel, and the reason being It was very dark after the fireworks, so we just headed out of the Pleasure Beach at Great Yarmouth and we headed here. So yeah, what a great event. Obviously, people know that we loved Fairground Frights last year, but it's actually grown a lot this year. So this year you've got the Haunted Hotel, and they've definitely made some changes in there. The actors in there were brilliant. So you've got that as a ride. You've got the Not So Fun House, which is very similar to before. You'll have seen some footage there. You can walk around. The Snails. So it used to be the Snails and Fairy Tales ride. It's now the Snails and Scary Tales ride. We weren't sure there were going to be live actors in there, but there were, and it was brilliant. It was really good fun. And then obviously their new maze for this year is the Workshop. Really, really interested. Loving theme parks and roller coasters. There were like old roller coaster trains and old bits of like old signs and everything everywhere. So really, really impressed with that. Just want to say how good this event is. It's completely different to most other scare events out there. But there are this year there are 2 rides and 2 walkthrough experiences. And then of course you've got the roaming characters everywhere. There's music. I'll probably get loads of copyright claims on all of the videos because that's what YouTube do every time you put a video on with any music on. But there's music pumping throughout the park. All the rides are open. You might have missed it on the drop tower. There was fire going off on the drop tower. They really, really made a great effort in the park. We absolutely loved it again this year. We will definitely be back again next year. You can see why we awarded them a ScareCon award last year. And yeah, they've done really, really well this year. It's just an event that's going to keep growing, but it's just so much fun. And they've got a lot of passion for what they're doing. So we are going to sign off. We're going to say thank you to the guys at Pleasure Beach for having us down, Pleasure Beach, Great Yarmouth, and we will see you at the next event.